What is going on, guys? And in today's video I'm going to be talking about everything that I use when it comes to making a video. So the cameras, the tripod, the lighting. I'm going to show you guys everything I use and give you the rundown on my beginner basic setup that I use right now to shoot videos, because if you're starting off, you don't want to put a lot of money into all this equipment and then come to find out you don't really like shooting videos, you're not into it, you end up not enjoying it, and then you just wasted a bunch of money on gear. But enough rambling on, let's get right into it. So starting off with cameras. When I'm shooting a video, I'll use one of two cameras. I'll either use my iPhone XR or my Canon G7X Mark II. Now the Mark II doesn't have a place to plug in an external microphone, so when it comes to audio, I'm just using the built-in mic that comes with the G7X. So when it comes to shooting with my phone, I will always put it in one of these mounts just so I can have a nice stable video. Definitely helps a lot. These things are inexpensive. They will be linked down below as well. But that is what I'm using to shoot video with. Now I'll have the G7X sitting on a tripod like it is here. But yeah, so when it comes to cameras, the G7X is a little expensive. It comes in around, I think, $5.99 right now. Now the G7X was probably the most expensive piece of equipment that I use. So it's super handy though. The screen on the back flips out, so when you're vlogging or just recording, you can see what is in frame, if you're in focus or not. Quick note, if you guys are enjoying the video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe and hit the bell notification, because you'll be notified if I come out with another video, and you'll be able to be the first one to watch it, because you know it's really important. But yeah, back to the video. So moving right on into the lights. So when it comes to lighting, initially I wasn't using any external lights. I would just use daylight. But with these light boxes I got off of Amazon, they were 60 bucks. They came with the tripod and the lights already in them. So you just set them up, plug them in, and turn them on, and you're ready to go. Now when it comes to mounting my camera, I have two tripods. I have both this flexible tripod and then just a standard 6-foot tripod. So the third option I have whenever I'm shooting a video is I have this desk mounted boom arm. Now as you can see here, don't mind the light boxes, but this bad boy clips right onto the desk, and then I can put the camera right here on top, and it is adjustable. So whatever angle I want or height, I can change it. But yeah, so when it comes to tripods, you can get some really inexpensive options. They have the flexible little guy for 20 bucks. You can get the 60-inch full-size tripod, which is just another 20-30 bucks. But the boom arm, because it was desk mounted and it's adjustable, it did run me about 80 bucks. So if you're just starting off, definitely just get you a cheap $20-30 mount or a tripod, and you'll be good to go. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed the video, you already know what to do. Hit that like button and subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I come out with a new video. But with that, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you already know what to do. Smack that like skin, or what? Ah, damn it, that was ugly.